is everything is in mind. If your mind is strong, you can do anything. So, I mean, you have to train your mind and you have to be consistent in life. For example, if I thought that I have to be fit in life, so I have worked hard for that. I have made my schedule according to that. So, I mean, everything is, if you want to start a startup, ऐसा नहीं है कि पहला startup ही hit हो जाएगा आपका. 3-4 startups फेल हुए, मेरे भी फेल हुए. सो ऐसा नहीं कि आपको, लेकिन मैंने कुछ आइडियाज सोचा, फेल हो गया, सो आई विल मैं कुछ और कर दूँ. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. 3-4 स्टार्टअप फेल होंगे. स्टार्टअप्स का ऐसा है कि इट इज जस्ट क्लिक एंड द टाइम इज गुड एंड the market product is fit and everything is, as per your product. So it's, and luck is also there. So kuch nahi pata, anything can be possible. So it's like, this is the platform. Your mind should start working. You have to experience, you will gain after this event, and you have, you have got the opportunity that in Queen Global International School. So I would like to thank our principal ma'am also, because our event is hosted and it is the 3rd edition of the Business Conclave. So I was explaining you about the success mantra. It is all about the mind. You have to train your mind like that. And how many of you know what is subconscious mind? Hands raised, please. What is subconscious mind? Okay. So, yeah, please stand up. What do you know? What is subconscious mind?
Subconscious mind is a state of mind which has, without us knowing, it is developed by our thinking and how we, the way of doing things.
Okay, good. Sit down. So it is the mind, that subconscious mind has so much energy. आप कुछ भी achieve कर सकते हो, but you just have to train your subconscious mind. It is like that. So you have to, feel the things. आप जब रात को सोते हो, जब रात को सोने से जब आप लेटते हो बेड पे, सो आप सोचते हो जो चीज़, वो आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में फीड होती रहती है. सो अगर आप एवरीडे कुछ जो आप चाहते हो लाइफ में, आपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को फीड कर दो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू वांट इन लाइफ, यू विल अचीव दैट. आपका कॉन्शियस माइंड सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं दैट विल मेक इट टू रियलिटी. एंड द कोड ये कहते हैं ना, जिस चीज़ को चाहो पूरी कायनात को मिलाने में लग जाती है. सो इट्स लाइक दैट एंड इट इज द रियलिटी. यू ऑल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट योर माइंड शुड बी very much strong to achieve anything. If your mind is strong, you can achieve anything in life. Whatever you think, you can achieve. It's all about your, the efforts you put in and how consistent you are. And lot of things are there. You have to follow anyone. You have to make one idol. Or sometimes you have to do things according to your personality and what makes you feel good in the market. एंड स्टार्टअप का शौक होता है लोगों को. शौक है कि स्टार्टअप मुझे कुछ करना है लाइफ में. जब तक आपका विजन नहीं होगा, यू कैन नॉट अचीव एनीथिंग. सो बस बोलने को वैसे बहुत कुछ है, ठीक है. सो वी हैव सो मेनी इवेंट्स. मैं तो आई कैन स्पीक लॉन्ग आवर्स, बट नाउ आई थिंक वी हैव सम मोर प्रेजेंटेशंस लेफ्ट विद अस. सो आई विल कंक्लूड विद द कोट दैट you can achieve everything if your mind is strong and you can do anything in life. Thank you so much, everyone.